Hello, my dear children. Today we are going to see the story The Cat, the Rooster, and the Young Mouse. Once upon a time, near a jungle, there was a mouse. Mother mouse and the baby mouse used to live in a small house. One day, a little mouse, that is the baby mouse, wanted to go for a picnic. Mama, can I please go to the picnic with my friends? They wanted to go around the jungle and see the jungle and the animals. Can I please go, Mom? Okay, baby mouse. You can go, but please be careful. There are many animals in the jungle, so please be careful, baby. Okay, Mom. Thank you so much. Now, the baby mouse goes to the jungle, goes around the jungle and sees many trees, fruits, animals. After he comes back home, he tells his mom the whole story about whom did he see in the jungle. Mom, do you know I have seen two animals in the jungle? Okay, beta, can you tell me who were those? The one I love the most had soft and lovely tail and made the soft sound. Meow! It had a soft and lovely fur and made the soft sound. Meow! Oh my God, baby! That was the cat. Please be careful with the cat when you see next time, because the cat eats the rat, the mouse. Oh, Mommy, I'm very sorry. I will be very careful from next time. No problem, beta. Tell me, whom did you see next? The next one I saw was a big animal. I saw a big animal and it shouted, "Cock-a-doodle-doo." I was so scared, said the little mouse. He was very scared to see the rooster. Oh, beta, that was a rooster. Don't worry, they don't harm us. So, my dear children, what is the moral of the story? The moral of the story is never go with someone's appearance, because appearance can lie to us. Sometimes who looks very nice might not be the same from inside. So be very careful, my dear children. Thank you.